Hey everybody, so I got a quick haul from Napa to do. It's some hosing, a hose, and some clamps. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just a quick haul I picked up from Napa. Buddy Pete over at Napa. I brought him this clear hose. It's just an air, going to be used for air, coming out of a constant duty compressor for an air horn set, but it's too short because of the way that the front end of my 4Runner is built. There isn't a lot of mounting locations, and what locations there are available, I'm going to have to drill a hole for the mounts. I'm probably going to be making my own custom bracket, probably welding something up, but I need the hose a little longer. It's not long enough, and what they came up with, because they can't get the clear hose in this size anymore, is 1/4 inch. I think this is 1/4 inch gas line. GL082819 IR-Y Ingrid Raleigh Youngster 2025. That's what's on the line. I don't remember exactly what they said it was. I think they said it was either fuel line or it was some kind of air line. But the hole is a little smaller and it's thicker on the outside. It's very pliable and very flexible, so it should fit on the barb fittings perfectly fine. And I picked up 6 of these little small worm gear clamps. I don't need the entire 10 feet for this project, but it was only they only charged me like 80 something cents per foot, and it's normally about $2 or $3 a foot. I just picked up about 10.5, 11 feet of it, and figured, cut the length I do need, which is probably about 3 feet, and the rest I will use to make replacement hoses for the rest of the vacuum lines on the truck. Will work out pretty good. But just a quick little haul. You'll be seeing this on the install of the air horns into 2000 Toyota 4Runner, so please stick around for that video. Appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this video and seeing what I'm up to. Appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.